What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carvin's Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing pulls in the G37. I made a pull video not too long ago, so I decided to do one again. I know you guys like these videos, so we're gonna run it up, man. We're gonna run it up in the G37. So let's get this video started. What I really like about the G37 is the red match, man. That is like undeniable. Like, my favorite feature of this car is red match. Woo! G37X kind of get off a little bit. It's off just a little bit. Let's do some freeway pulls, man. Tell you, man, I be having fun in this car, boy. I be having so much fun in this car. Not even gonna lie. Oh my gosh, this thing be so fun. Check another one in. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Stowing in 7th gear right now. Man, if you guys haven't bought a G37 yet, go buy one, man. Always vouch for this car. Go buy one. Extremely fun car to drive. Like I said, man, I kind of do this on a daily. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I put this car through it. I ain't gonna lie, I put this car through it. This car gets its fair share of pulls every day, and it's been a one solid car. Something to have fun in. I really do like this car. Oh, the straightaway, boy, but you gotta watch out. Even from 6 gears, ready to pull. Fuck. Haha. Had to slow that down, boy. Had to slow the G. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Damn. This thing's. So now we gotta blend in. So we done just seen the rollers. But yeah, man, y'all need to go ahead and buy you a G. The G is extremely fun. Extremely fun car. And like I said, man, I do a fair amount of pulls in this car. I definitely have a lot of fun in this car. And yeah, man, I always vouch to get you one. I always vouch to get you a G. Extremely fun car to drive. like I said, man, like you can do, man, just, woo, that exhaust, man, it's just undeniably like music to my ears. I love this exhaust. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I just seen the boys and they must be out today, so I don't want to push it too much just because I don't need that in my life right now. So I think I might just end this video. But we definitely got some good pulls in though. We definitely got some good pulls. I believe this is a great video, good content that you guys are gonna like. I'm just a little nervous to kind of get on it right now, so I think that's my sign to tell me that I need to just go ahead and stop. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. Let me know if you guys want more content like this. I could make it happen. I love making videos like this. I love making driving videos like this. I do this type of stuff on a daily, I'm not gonna lie. But I need to go ahead and invest in a little radar so I know what's going on, so I won't get caught up. But of course we're filming this video in Mexico. I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year, and you guys can help out by simply liking the video, commenting, and if you haven't already, subscribe. You know, that would be extremely helpful. I would really appreciate that a lot if you guys go ahead and subscribe, because I really want to hit 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year. That is like my goal. I'm putting in a lot of work as far as YouTube, making a lot more videos so you guys can enjoy and all that. So if you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, man, we're gonna go stupid next year. Matter of fact, I got some stuff lined up for this year that I feel like you guys are really going to enjoy, so just stay tuned onto the channel. I promise the channel is going to get better, and it's only going to go up from here, and we're going to keep elevating. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Usually I do one last pull, but I don't trust it, so I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.